And action! Hi team, it's Chris Abraham from GOHacademy. Today I want to try and inspire you with a couple of ideas if you're going to be testing this fall. Think of these as sort of thoughts, words of wisdom. Take them, use them to help motivate you to pass the exams, okay? Let's take a look at the first few. Let's go. Who thinks Simone Biles is pretty cool? You think she's cool? She's been in several Olympics, right? She's pretty amazing. But she's had some tough years, right? She's had some losses, correct? And then she was able to overcome those losses. The stuff that she was doing last year, I mean, that's pretty amazing to do at that level, right? Because it gets harder as you get older. So if you've been teaching for a while, I want you to be like Simone Biles. I want you to rock. I want you to dig in deep and have this win. So we're going to play to win. Thumbs up. We're not just going to make it a game, but we're going to play to win as much as possible. Okay? Doesn't matter if you've been teaching 18 years. We're going to play to win this. Okay? In the back of our mind, we know that we got to win this because of our job, but we're going to play to win and make it a game because the best version of you is going to emerge. Thumbs up. All right, team. I hope you enjoyed these videos. If you did, I want you to give them a big thumbs up. Check out a GOHacademy workshop. You can go to GOHacademy.com at www.GOHacademy.com. Check out a class. Tell a friend. I'll see you there. Take care, team. Bye-bye.